Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some insider secrets to share with you. 7 celebrity-approved exercises that can help you melt away that stubborn belly flab. We've gathered this fantastic information from a recent article on Eat This, Not That. So, let's dive right in and discover the workout routines that your favorite celebrities swear by. Ever wondered how Hollywood stars maintain those enviable toned tummies? According to a recent article published on Eat This, Not That, these 7 exercises have become the go-to favorites for many celebrities. Let's unveil the secrets. First up, bicycle crunches. This classic move engages your core muscles, helping you sculpt your abs and burn fat effectively. It's no wonder celebrities are hooked on this one. Next, plank variations. Celebrities swear by planks to engage their entire core, improve posture, and target those hard-to-reach muscles. Russian twists are another favorite. This exercise engages your obliques and helps you achieve that coveted hourglass figure. It's a secret weapon for many celebs. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity move that gets your heart rate up while toning your core. Celebrities incorporate them to torch calories and build endurance. Pilates roll-ups are a staple in many celebrity workout routines. This exercise strengthens your core and enhances flexibility, contributing to a leaner midsection. Leg raises are simple yet incredibly effective. Celebrities love this exercise for targeting lower abdominal muscles and achieving a toned, balanced core. Last but not least, high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Many celebrities incorporate HIIT workouts, which combine intense bursts of activity with short rests, for maximum fat-burning results. Before you dive into these exercises, remember to consult a fitness professional if you're new to exercise. Start gradually and ensure proper form to prevent injuries. There you have it, folks. 7 celebrity-endorsed exercises to help you melt away belly flab. If you're looking to sculpt a toned midsection just like your favorite stars, give these workouts a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and insider secrets. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep sweating towards your fitness goals.